yeah, we have made it to Panama City Beach. So for the next couple days, I'll do Panama City Beach and then slowly make my way up towards Destin, Santa Rosa that I wanted to check out, and a couple other small little spots. The super powdery white sand that's supposed to squeak when you walk on it. I'm gonna head that way because I think the pier is over there somewhere. So this is mildly unusual. I've never stood on a pipe in the middle of a beach. Look at this pipe. Walking on some pipe. So we have figured out what this massive operation is here. That's one of those things that actually goes out to sea and surveys if they're doing good with the beach. So essentially what they're doing is they are resurfacing the beach, if that makes sense. They are adding more sand. You see those giant cages right there? Those are diffusers. When they the ship will bring the sand into port somewhere down there and then hook it up to the lines, and that's why they're still creating these pipes all the way down, is because they have to resurface this thing, and they're just gonna make it like a beautiful resurfaced beach. So yeah, so I've never seen that before. I've never seen a beach being resurfaced or redone. I guess that's a cool experience. I guess that's also why I'm here in the off season, is to see interesting things like this that you would never, I guess, see. I mean, I don't know. I spent some time in Florida, but hey, I've never seen this. We got ourselves a free bag of popcorn, because why not? Free food is always appreciated. Guys, I live for beach volleyball. Like, what? You can't reject me. What? It's like, it's not allowed. It's just not a rule. So I'm gonna head back to my van and start editing videos. Oh well. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a summary report. Last night was actually really cold, I'm not gonna lie. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna have to get out the -degree sleeping bag that I have, the Marlboro Adventure one, the red one. But then we're heading to Rosemary Beach, and then we're gonna go hit the town of Seaside, which is supposed to be this little lovely quaint town with some pretty neat shops, and I don't know, a lot of people say to check out the town of Seaside, so I said, hey, why not? And then a last point for the day is to check out Santa Rosa Beach, which I guess is supposed to be also a little bit lovely. But you know, it's winter time, so I won't be splashing around in the water too much, but maybe I will just, you know, check out the sights and stuff. And then I'll probably head out to Pensacola and out west to New Orleans eventually. So yeah, just checking in. Little lovely update from me. I'm on the road. I would show you guys the road, but there's really nothing spectacular going on. It's just me driving, you know, so cheers for that. Peace. So we're skating today in Rosemary Beach, but check out these buildings, man. Like, these houses are pretty exquisite. Look at that. Like, everywhere that you go, you have these semi-mansions kind of, you know, being built, or these super expensive condos. And like, I like the style. You got, you know, you got these Italian pine trees. You see all those condos down there being built. It's pretty intense, man. Pretty intense. Almost had that. Like, let's go explore a little bit of Rosemary Beach, because it looks like a really fancy, really cool place. So like here, for example, I just made it into a park, and you get some statues, and you know, like, the standard of living here seems to be pretty high, unless this is a super vacation spot. But really beautiful with the trees. People biking, that's always fun. Look at this massive hotel slash clock tower. So this is pretty postcard perfect. Freeze frame. Gorgeous. So that looks like a pretty wicked house. Looks like an LA style house with that. You see that? That's glass staircase right there. That's insane. And those palm trees. And then they're building another addition to this one, I guess, to be symmetrical with this one, but this one is also pretty neat. All right, so we have landed to Rosemary's Beach. That way is Panama City Beach. Discovered some deer. So we just met a guy at the beach that told us to go on this sculpture trail. And look at this. How sweet are these two? Okay guys, so I turned around just so I could show you guys this. Like, okay, you're driving, you're thinking everything is pretty okay, and then all of a sudden, you get to this bridge and look at that. Like, look at that view. How amazing is that? And then you have little houses like this. Like, how awesome is this? Just beautiful, just straight beautiful. So we have entered the town of Seaside, and this is Vincent Scully, which I don't know who that is, but I guess this is more of the downtown area. I'm a little bit running out of energy, to be honest, because I took a dip inside the cold ocean down by Rosemary's beach, and I'm a little bit just tired, I guess. But I've been also skating like everywhere, so that kind of explains it. A little bit of physical exercise, but the beach here is actually really, really cool. Like it's pretty beautiful. Like, don't get me wrong, it is completely beautiful, except this whole thing feels like a family affair, you know? You got little kids and dogs running around everywhere, and you know, and I don't have a family, so I guess I can't really, I'm not in those vibes. I'm kind of more on the spontaneous, you know, trying to find really cool and fun and quirky thing sort of trip. And yeah, I don't know. I think that's it for Seaside. I think I've seen enough of the town, like a little bit of town square, the Christmas market that they have going on, and the beach, obviously, and the little like shops and stuff and little houses on the way. I think that's about it. So I'm gonna head to Santa Rossa and see what Santa Rossa has in store for me. I'm making fish sticks, but not like the cheap ones. I'm making like the wild Alaskan pollock fish sticks. Wild Alaskan pollock fish sticks. I mean, hey, it can't get more authentic than making fish out by the ocean, by the beach, by, you know, the beach access. The water is down there, and there's a pier. I mean, I could have just taken my fishing pole, brought out a little fish, took some bread, made some breading, and made some fish sticks. But why do that whole thing when you can get yourself? So 12 eggs and a bunch of fish sticks. Stories from a road.